Hello students, we are going to start numerical 2 on line and surface charge electric field. So let me start the question. Planes x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 carry charges 10 nanocoulomb per meter square and 15 nanocoulomb per meter square. If the line x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 carry charge 10 pi nanocoulomb per meter, then calculate electric field at 1, 1, minus 1 due to the three charges. The medium is free space having epsilon is equal to epsilon naught. So suppose this is the x-axis and we draw the figure for plane x is equal to 2. Suppose this is the plane x is equal to 2 and the point where we have to calculate the electric field has x is equal to 1. So this point is in the left of the plane. So when we join the vector from plane to the point, this vector is minus of ax. This vector is minus of ax. Now electric field is rho s upon 2 epsilon an vector. Rho s is 10 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 2 into epsilon 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 36 pi. So these two will cancel each other, and when we solve, then this answer is minus of 180 pi ax. Second plane is given at y is equal to minus 3. Suppose this is y-axis and this plane is y is equal to minus 3, and where we want to calculate the electric field, it has y is equal to 1. This is y and it is equal to 1. So this point is on right side of the plane, and when we join the perpendicular vector, then this vector is a y vector. So E2 is equal to rho s upon 2 epsilon an vector. Rho s is 15 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 2 into epsilon is 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 36 pi, and the direction is ay. So E2 is equal to 270 pi ay volt per meter. Now in the third case, one line charge is also given, and the line is defined as x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2. So there are 2 points, x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 on the line, and the third point is 1. As we are taking, this is initial, and the point where we have to calculate the electric field is 1, 1, minus 1, and this point is final. The distance between these 2 points is rho, and the rho is equal to under root of 1 square plus 3 square, and rho is equal to under root of 10. Arrow vector is final minus initial divided by magnitude. So this point is final, this point is initial, so final minus initial divided by magnitude. So it is 1 minus 0 ax and 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 minus 2, it is minus of 3 az. So ax minus 3 az divided by root 10. This is arrow vector. So E3, which is the electric field due to infinite line charge, it is rho l upon 2 pi epsilon rho arrow. So rho l, it is a line charge density. It is given as 10 pi nanocoulomb per meter. So 10 pi into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 2 pi epsilon is 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 36 pi. Rho is under root of 10, and vector is ax minus 3az by root 10. So when we solve, this answer comes as 18 pi ax minus 3az volt per meter. And finally we will add these three vectors and we will get our desired answer. And when we add these three vectors, then this answer becomes minus of 160 pi ax plus 270 pi ay minus 54 pi az. So thank you students.